Hello to the warriors, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. So, today we are going to see BABYSHIA. Is it the next Pepe? Before, this video is not for any financial advice guys, and I am not a financial advisor. So let's start. Alright, so in this video, I will discuss about this project, that its potential or not, like everything. Hope you guys give me your valuable times. Now, as you can see, the interface in my screen now, and the project name is BABYSHIA as I see at the past. So what is BABYSHIA? Let's see. Like, what is BABYSHIA? Like, BABYSHIA is a firstborn child of Shia, a cryptocurrency which is created by the successful Carlos Ocelote and his team. Unlike Shia, BABYSHIA is fully decentralized, and purely BABYSHIA is now no way related to Shia and should be seen as tribute to the real Shia cryptocurrency. You will get their contact address, and guys, this project is built on Ethereum blockchain and it's literally getting a hype in this new market, obviously, which is really amazing. Now you will get their fair launch, which is already in date. It's now available on Uniswap, so you can purchase it from Uniswap. You will get their Twitter, you will get the Telegram link in the website. So you must ready to join the Telegram community for all information about this project, and you can see their activity. Like, literally, this is really amazing, and the team is really working hard. I don't know, it can be the next Pepe, as I think that. Now, why I am thinking, you can see what is BABYSHIA at first. Now, a meme created into tribute of Shia. Why BABYSHIA? BABYSHIA was made in tribute to real Shia cryptocurrency with previous successful baby tokens such as Baby Dolls, Baby Shiv, and Baby Pepe. The word of early BABYSHIA can't be missing. Liquidity lock, no taxes, contract re-announced also. So no taxes, contract re-announced. So this is really amazing as a Memecoin project. Lots of project which is meanwhile they didn't did it. This is really amazing, and BABYSHIA is really doing amazing. Now, fair large and no team tokens. You can see the tokenomics in their website. Their total supply, which is 10 billion, buy tax, sell tax, which is 0%, max wallet, no limit, max trade, no limit. Ownership, you can see the re-announced. You can see the guys, their chart. I will see their chart, but we can see their roadmap, which is also not coming yet. They will. I hope that they will update it, their roadmap as soon as possible. And also you can see the tokenomics. Also you can see the about section about this project. Now guys, let's check it out their contract address. As you can see, they have now 1,418 followers. At the early Memecoin project, I think this is perfect, and I hope that they will soon achieve their 10,000 plus holders first. Why? I'm saying that literally this token is creating a hype in crypto market as soon as possible as a Memecoin. Soon you can see. I hope that you can see everything their burning stage, which is 70% burn, guys. Their total percent 10 million is the total supply, but 70% it which is burned. So now they have only 2.9 billion tokens, you can see, 70.2720% will burned. So as a Memecoin project, it's really good. Now obviously it's also a bad impression, you can say, that because why they will burn their 70% tokens. Why? Obviously they wanted to create a hype in Memecoin. That's why they did burn their tokens, it's 70% from the total supply, which is really amazing. Now guys, let's check it out their chart. You can see their total supply, the total market cap right now 2.66 million. Their liquidity also, you can see 600 plus liquidity. Total supply, which is now 2.97 million. Holders also, you can see their 24-hour volume, guys. Just literally 3.19 million is their 24 hours volume. If you sort of 15 minutes time frame, you can see it's just launch, you can see that. This is really amazing, and it's literally pumping and pumping. Obviously guys, you have still chance to purchase it from this, from Uniswap. And you can see like they are doing well marketing right now. It's hot 8 number in Dextral trending, like you can see in the upper sections, which is absolutely amazing. And I hope that it will pump as soon as possible, and I hope that they will add their roadmap as soon as possible. Now guys, let's check it out, their X profile. Now they have 9,237 followers in their X, and they are literally doing well marketing. Like if you saw, like you can see, like they are doing like they are hired YouTube influencers. Like we can say that they are doing huge marketings, which is really amazing. So now let's discuss about their investment things. Like, is it the next Pepe? I hope that obviously guys, it can be the next Pepe. Cause guys, they are, I don't know, but they are doing well marketings, and they are wanting to get the hype of meme coins. So I'm literally really bullish, and you can expect that. I really expect that from this project. Like obviously 10x to 50x from this project. This is my personal target. Like if I invest, like if I purchase $10 worth of BABYSHIA token, obviously I will hold it for 50x profit. And guys, I wanted to tell you, in the next 3 months, like you can see still it's pumping. In the next 3 months, you can see like they will achieve their 100 billion market cap. This is my personal opinion, not any fundamentally. Like I think that because they are doing well marketing. Also it can be scam, because this is crypto and anything is possible in this crypto. So obviously guys, this is not for any financial advices, like obviously. So that's it about BABYSHIA, and I hope that it's really bullish and it can be the next Pepe. It can be the next Pepe. Cause guys, why I'm saying that, like you can see right now that Bitcoin is pumping like no sense. Obviously this token is also pumping like no sense. Like hope you guys understood my lines. So that's it about this project. For more info, you can join the Telegram community guys. And please subscribe this YouTube channel for more to the project. Peace.